Mr. Regional Minister. Mr. Yembo DC's name MMDC's Nidino. Ama enyuma bi ho ma wo ya media o si se eya kwa say DC is adwuma across Ashanti region is wo ye na bridge bu oba bia na region minister gina ho now the social media for yakwa kutwa. And I think say the president should appoint all those positions, fast track things now. MMDC is near the any adwuma na mebra ka say we should blame the system. No, we should blame the NDC for the vacuum that is continues to be created now, because MPP who are bem ye the betu was say MMDC's positions no yen to aba ye no mu nyina ko benkro mu em ye tia say ye betu aba ye to aba no a enanke ye ditu mu say sa positions ne enye elected a ye mu nyina ye anokro say ye be sad say enye elected
and someone am yes
yes you know it's not a promise. So we agreed with them the last minute because of political expediency. No more your margin say omontia say man political. No, we agreed with them last minute and back it out because the NDC national executives decided say they will not support that position, sir. And they took the position of the party and then decided say only if the vacuum has been created, if the NDC that we should blame, not the system. We had been what system or what that do and who say and I say we should move away from the old system, but the NDC decided say we should stick with the old system. So if there's any vacuum 4 months before election and 4 months after the election, it's the NDC that we should blame, not the system. We know
say MMDCC appointed. Nanado Danko Kufuado Shebo. He said he will actually even make it say you be elected.
Yes.
Oba first being cancelled the first term, no majority. Clear majority and commit media executive. But one year second term. Second term, other is a legislative bill on multimedia. I know sooner you push man. So why are you blaming? Sure, but one thing is blame. I believe where we are now. We should blame the NDC for not supporting that position for us to elect. So the bear, now say na me bisa say enti Kumasi metropolis no NDC for enyo bia na me nka say Zuba media to me I wish na nkenyo no ka be KMA boss why not
na do mu no bia Kumasi anu ana your assembly your lecture areas bibria for me KMA what you say out of which there are NDC people they equally qualify. Should we bring somebody from Obuasi to come and be the KMA boss? And people are saying a whole lot of things. The NDC now, they are minimum promises. I've heard a lot of things. Say the assembly members so but they have a strategy to make sure the assembly members are approving. But this is a man. I will not doubt his credibility. But the temperament is KMA ready for the kind of temperance this man has?
Temperament.
Oh, now Zuba Akuma. But we are ready for them. The NDC should make sure say systems no yashishe bibia say beya Dr. Mwako ebe ye na dwuma eso ye as regional minister no nja DC is adwuma no want to know the cameras session so
and social media they are not there until supervise I
know they na you kroma na before the elections e ka kire Ghana nyina say Ghana is a crime scene. You Grumman Mono say a crime scene. That means you should be in a hurry to appoint the opposition. But my gonna go back to when we were doing the campaign. Ebra John Mamaka say we should not worry him with anything concerning governor. We should give him a 6 months honeymoon period to rest, out of which now the new crew must John Mamaka say man honeymoon for 6 months. No, finding a home. You should not worry him. I can get you the story. I can get you the story. You want to say? I dare you. After mommy flow. Okay. Didn't come on. My. You need to name me do. You need to name the but me but the can say. Asanteman Puntu and then Koso. We will follow the KMA step by step. Me no Poma take the win out of me. Bra Oka Zuba ne KMA ne assembly members relationship ne adeno. I think say a chance we move to do the right thing because assembly members are sentiment more and no more common. Who be so more now say they are embarrassed. It's as if they are not part of the system. But anymore because everything is now being shifted to the NDC regional office. Say me have contact. I know what goes on there. Everything is being run from the NDC regional office. And if they are going to continue to do that, it will give us more arsenals to fight going to 2028. And to me, the American say, I will not spend too much time on the NDC. I will want to spend too much time on the MPP. People will know say it was a mistake. And you before no to aba. Na dani den make say anger is not a plan. Going into 2024 elections, no. But through my account, me after polling station elections, coordinator elections, constituency elections, it gave the neutrals, the so-called neutrals. Now, when I say the so-called neutrals, Minyo Poma is part of the so-called neutral because he's an MPP member who I believe that at a point in time got angered by some people and decided to shift to
elephant butterfly.
And the neutrals got some kind of power. Dr. Makuba, Poma, those neutrals got the power to hurt our party more because Kasa, Obianim say, Euro Poma, MPP ni, Euro Amakuba, MPP ni. But per your constitution, no, the moment you take that stance of that neutralism, no, you don't become a member of the party. And therefore, whatever you say and do, it is not a member of the party speaking, but those neutrals gave us a shot of our lives. Aside to the American say, oh, yeah, MPP ni. Na MPP ni your bonnet. Now the cha, or the some cha for in chair. We should unite and build a formidable party. And I believe going to 2028, you know. See, spending more time unite now, it will benefit us more than even attacking the NDC.
All right. Thank you very much.
I will go and some
oh, that be and then